Hello, welcome, it's Andy here and this is Training the Right Way. We're going to talk about the file repair program. I may not know this because it was something I found on the Insta website. Now, I had a problem with some of my files on my last trip to Thailand. The files here, you can see the ones that are not, just scroll down a bit. So we have the videos, the real ones, they are broken. But 10 is broken. Unfortunately, it's a problem. This one here, number 10, what it will put into a video when it's saved out to repaired file. With this because it clearly these files here do not load into. So I have different direction, reverse, and there are them that will not load. That's very, very annoying. Now this could be any reason. It could be a reason it's damaged or corrupted. It could be the actual SD card had a problem. You had a power problem, it turned off before it's saved. But what I've got here is a website. You can have a look at this. This is Insta360.com. On here you'll find it. I didn't actually find it the first time I looked. Only the top two downloads. But the related download here, which is Insta360 file repair application. It's only for Windows and Mac. So down that, install, you get a application on your computer. There is some help, basic help, basically. Basic help, basically. Luckily there is some help. You can have the application for how to use it. Personally, what I should go through, I'll tell you more. So add the file. It doesn't really work that well with my computer or something like that, but I have the same problem with my drag and drop. It does. Maybe it's the browser, I don't know. Anyway, I have to click the button to add the file. Broken files, and you can do more than one. So it will allow you to do batch. I tried it, but I didn't work, and I deleted them all. And then did it again with just one. Now, when you've done that, you have to then, well, you have two files. There'll be two files for each one. Then you need to upload in broken footage file. Again, this is two files. Now, it's not very clear where you put them, because if you repair all, it will give you a message saying no reference file. I discovered it's simple. It goes in here, in this box here, and I'll show you that in a moment, but it's not very clear where you put it. See, if there's no reference, it will fail, and that's what I was getting. I was getting a problem with a repair fail. But the LRV file, that's just basically a version. So you don't need to worry about that. Just the two video files. They will be the VID files, so you'll have those on your hard drive. You can also select whether it's utilization, and you can turn that on or off. It will increase the time and the temporary file size. If you don't, then it will be a lot quicker. And then you can stitch and export the separate file repaired, which is the MP4. So you can do that in the same way. I'm going to try that in a moment, but basically we just got to go through this. Repairing and stabilization will apply a basic level of broken. It obviously it will try, how to repair files, if you have any, it will try and do, and it will obviously, if it's need to import another non-file, obviously it needs to look at what is normal. It doesn't do it, then obviously you have to check when it properly. Obviously there's something about having spots and looking green. I don't know about that, but we'll have a look in a moment. And there are various things there to do with the requirements for the app. If you do have problems, then you can contact Insta support with any questions you may have. Okay, here is the application loaded up, and I've already done one, and you can see that going through to out, and it comes out as a 4 file, so repair. So what we can do, add, and we'll add the number 11. We need 2 of open video that you're going to have to repair. Now the reference file that we need, obviously it's a broken file, realise, but you have to actually come on here and click on this, and what we'll do 9, which is one I saw. So those 2, you need 2. So we now have repair, and you can repair the ticket. We'll do this time, we'll untick it, because obviously I don't think the stabilization is broken. And then you just click repair, and then you have to wait. Repair MP4 failed. for some reason. I don't know why. That back in there, and let's try. So that's number 11. It could be that that file is able to be recovered. No. So that file is damaged too much because it doesn't actually come up with any megabytes there. It could be that that one is actually no good at all. So should we try another one? Let's try another one. Obviously file, and I know it works. So let's number 12 and then the reference file in there, and we'll use number 9, open, and we'll see if that one works. Yeah, it's working. So it could be that number 11 is just not megabytes. It's going to be quite short. So that's 9 and 100. The pair we're going to save. That one that's saved. So this one is one we're doing now. So, didn't really want to do that. Do it again. See if it will give it a name. Repaired. I'm going to put it. There we go. So that's 2. Try the other one. Try number. All right, 13, and then the reference. I don't know. Sometimes I wonder about people that make whether they actually themselves before they try it, before they distribute it. I wonder if they use it before they actually put it out there, because when I make software, I would make this more intuitive. I would make even a prompt that says you need to go area here, intuitive, and I think that's a bit of a problem. Anyway, we will use our number 9 again. So 9, open. Right, let's try that one. And it's 40 megabytes again. A short file. That one done, nearly 45. So pretty good if it works. I'm going to try it in the studio to see if I can actually reading. Best successful, and then save. If I can drag a file that we do one of the smaller ones, so we'll do number 12, which is studio. And of course, we of that probably had a camera. A bit of an issue with the camera when I particular what it was, and in the end I gave up because put it on a power. I also use power stick, keep it powered up, and the stick runs out, or the camera runs out, which it can do. The power stick, if you've got a power bank attached to it, then it does power and it will carry on going. I've had the camera going for nearly 2 hours now, so that's probably what it is. We're in the rest, and it does show that you can. It is a video that you can edit, a long video. Obviously, 1 second is not worth everything. Yeah. It probably wasn't worth doing the recover, to be honest with you. So yeah, the recovery social media, it does work, and of course is very much the idea that a file which is worth saving, because I don't think any of these are going to be using myself. I do know, if you ever go, you may find that you can recover your software. That's it. If you then get thumbs up, share, help me out, and of course back again for some more. See you soon.